Curled asphalt shingle edges can be repaired quickly to stop wind uplift and leaks before they cause bigger roof damage. Start by assessing the extent of curling across the roof and work only on areas that are safe to reach without risking a fall. Clean the curled area and the surface beneath with a stiff brush so the roofing caulk will bond to bare granules and felt. Remove any loose granules with firm strokes and use a damp cloth to clear fine dust. Apply a generous bead of high-quality roofing caulk under the curled edge, pressing the shingle down and spreading the caulk thinly so it adheres across the lift. Avoid using small dots because they can allow water to channel past the seal. If the curl is small and the shingle still lies flat after sealing, drive a galvanized roofing nail through the shingle into the roof deck about 1 inch above the tab slot to avoid creating a new leak point, and set the nail head flush without overdriving. For larger lifts that will not stay down, remove the old adhesive film and granule debris, apply a strip of peel and stick roofing cement or underlayment patch, press the shingle down, and fasten with 2 nails placed horizontally to reduce stress from wind. When multiple shingles on a slope show curling or the felt underlayment is failing, plan for full shingle replacement of the affected section because patch repairs will be temporary and more expensive over time. Most people underestimate safety risks and climb onto steep roofs without fall protection, which leads to falls and injury, so always use a stable ladder, a roof harness where practical, and never work alone. Homeowners commonly use ordinary caulk that is not rated for roofing and find the repair fails quickly, so choose a manufacturer-rated roofing sealant or roofing cement designed to remain flexible under temperature swings. Another frequent mistake is nailing through the curled edge without sealing first, which can drive water into the deck. So always seal, then fasten and place nails above the tab slot to avoid creating leak paths. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work for roof repairs and related jobs. We also host an active discussion community where our members share real repair tips and contractor recommendations.